Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a drop-down combo box, fill color or background using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my drop-down combo box and I'll edit this combo box fill color. Now select this form option and select fit, drag your mouse cursor select your box and press right button for your mouse cursor and open properties dialog box. And property dialog box go this fill color option. This fill color, you can add no fill color and see this. Also make it solid and see this. Also you can add this fill color or since you can add more fill color in this custom fill color and see this. And add this one. Also you can edit this border color and line thickness and so on. And see this. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.